Ooh. Oh, that is just the nicest thing. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Leah, and I have a series on my channel called Short Girl Shops. And although it's not only aimed at short girls, I feel like often I end up going back to, does this work for short girls? Does it work on me? Are we a fan? If it goes back to that and you're not a short girl, don't worry, you can still watch this video. And in fact, I always find it really sweet when I read messages from people saying, hi, I'm really tall, but I love this video. I'm like, yes. Anyway, I thought I'd put together some like date night outfits. The reason for this is because Atch and I, my boyfriend and I, have completely abandoned date night. I know we've had the big CV and that hasn't helped in terms of people getting out the house, making the effort for one another. It just hasn't been a thing, it hasn't been happening. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try and put together some date night outfits and then also put some dates in the diary. Even if we just stay home, we're gonna agree to dress up for each other. Yeah, just gonna see how it goes. So I thought I'd vlog these outfits, and then of course, I'm sure you guys will kindly share your opinions in the comments. Before we get going with the date night outfits, I must thank the sponsor of this video, which is Nordgreen. So Nordgreen are a minimalist watch brand from Copenhagen in Denmark, and I love Danish everything, by the way. One of my best friends from school is Danish, and she's just got the best style, like whether it's furniture, outfits, just even, do you know what, even as an actress, she's a good actress, and I think it's because she's Danish, but anyway, I digress. They are based in Copenhagen, and they are a Scandinavian minimalist watch brand. I'm wearing my Nordgreen watch right now, and I absolutely love it. It's just really timeless and gorgeous. So I thought I'm gonna wear this with every outfit that I try on for this video. I am such a huge fan. Do you know what? I will be really super honest. I don't think, they're gonna hate me for saying it, I don't think the website can really show you how beautiful these watches are until you see it in real life, and then you're like, oh, that is so nice. Like, of course you get the vibe of it and you watch other videos and you're like, yeah, then they're really nice. But then when I opened the box, by the way, which is right here, eco packaging, ding ding ding, very nice. And then I saw it and I saw the size of it. I was like, either I've got amazing taste or they're making great watches, or both. Yeah, I'm really happy to be working with Nordgreen. I'm really loving this watch, and I really hope you guys do too. There is a discount code in my description and a link that you can click which will allow you to get the discount. Don't forget to copy the code into your checkout, which is LeahH, and that will get you 15% off if you were to buy a Nordgreen watch. So their timeless watch collection was designed by a renowned Danish designer called Jacob Wagner, who is Bang & Olufsen's former head designer, which I thought was pretty cool because I'm a big fan of them too. They have sustainable and eco-friendly packaging, and they also have a giving back program. With every purchase, they provide 2 months of clean drinking water and 1 month of free education to those in need. And they save 200 square foot of rainforest through their partner NGOs. I just am really happy to be working with them. So I have also got a alternative strap which I ordered, and it's so easy to change to the other strap. I chose like a brown leather because I thought that would complement the gold look really well. And also the reason why I chose gold is because most of my jewelry is like gold plated or gold, and I tend to reach for those more on a daily basis than my like silver jewelry. I have got some like nice silver pieces, and I was really torn actually as to whether to get a silver watch from Nordgreen or the gold, but I just think I'll be reaching for this more because it goes with more of my stuff. There's just a lot of choice on there. Don't go crazy, or do if you want to. So yeah, let's get into the video now. Let's show you some of these date night outfits. I've actually filmed them before filming this clip, and I'm not wearing makeup in any of the shots because there's some items that I don't know if I'll be keeping or sending back. So for anyone who knows, I live in quite a minimal flat. We don't have many things. There's a video on my channel and it's like flat tour, minimalist flat, Obviously the flat looks way tidier in that video. I literally hid everything. The flat's got like limited storage. We have like open wardrobes, we have rails rather than like closed wardrobes. It just means that my boyfriend and I tried to have like a one in, one out policy. So if you buy something, you gotta say goodbye to something else, and it's our way of like keeping our stuff down. So in this video I have purchased a few things just to try on and just see what they look like. Things that are a little bit more out of my comfort zone. So I don't know what I'll be keeping. I'll probably go off what the comments say. If someone says that absolutely looks awful on you, I'll definitely return it. So let's play these clips to you. Okay, we'll start with this outfit, which is a sort of long black bodycon dress. It's not petite, I haven't ordered it in petite, so the length of it, if I was to like zhuzh it all the way down, it does go quite far down the leg, which is why I paired it with a pair of black wedges. I'm not quite sure where on the leg these dresses are meant to finish, but it just felt like when it goes past the knee, it just felt a little bit more like classy. Oh, I'm also wearing this, which my dad got me. It was like just a sovereign coin, and then I got it turned into a necklace. So I sometimes get questions about it, and you can't buy this anywhere. It's just a gift from my dad. Thanks, Dad. I thought I'd do a little messy bun with it. And as you can tell, I'm not wearing any makeup in the videos because I don't think I've already said this. I don't know what I'm going to be taking back, and I didn't want to get makeup on any of the clothing that I was wearing. Obviously, right now I own this as mine, so that's why I'm wearing makeup. So that's that outfit. I mean, to be honest with you, it's quite office vibes. It makes me think like I've just been at work all day and now I'm going on a date. I'm not too sure about it in general, just because that corporate life is not for me. Let's move on now to, oh my gosh, this one is, as you can tell, kind of like a bit raunchy, as a bit out of my comfort zone. Oh my gosh. I've never worn anything like skin coloured. Okay, this is, I guess, sort of skin coloured, but this outfit that I'm wearing here is nude to the same colour as my skin. And when I put it on, it looked like I wasn't wearing anything. And it made me think of those times where you see girls wearing like leggings that colour and you have to do like a double take because you think they're naked. It also made me think a bit of the Kim Kardashian outfit, because she have a brand called like Skims or something, or Skins, and it's like, it just made me think of that. Why am I doing karate? When I try clothes on, sometimes I have to play really, really loud music. So for this one, I was just playing like either ABBA or like Kung Fu Fighting. So that's probably why I was doing silly dance moves. Yeah, I mean, I do think it's quite a nice one for date night. Like, it's a bit more out there. I would never usually wear something like this, so maybe I should like push myself out of my comfort zone and keep this one. I'm not too sure. I will see what the comments say. Also, the shoes were from Pretty Little Thing, and they have that like clear strap which goes over the toes, and obviously I'm not a massive fan of my toes, because I've got like the Greek toes where the second nail is longer than the first nail. So I just felt like usually I would opt for a closed toe shoe. But we move. As my mum would say, no one's looking at your feet. To which I would disagree, because there's a Wikipedia page about my feet. Next outfit. This one, I got this leather skirt about a year ago from either Bershka or Stradivarius. I will make sure to link it up in the comments below. And I just thought, let me try and see how some white boots would look with this. It's a bit cowgirl. It kind of reminds me of when I went to Texas and I tried on like these cowboy boots and this mini skirt, and I was like, I feel quite cool. I think I can pull it off. I think it did look really nice with the watch actually. That made it a little bit more like classy cowgirl. But there's this big jumper that I found at Topshop, and I thought, maybe that will go with it, because when something's fitted on bottoms, it's kind of okay to have like that baggy top. I tried it on, I did think it was quite big. So I did that thing where you like tuck it in and see how that feels. although I feel like it did look quite good, part of me did think like, is this a bit claustrophobic? Bear in mind though, the flat is about 26 degrees C, so that's probably why I was feeling a bit uncomfortable wearing that. But overall, like looking at it now, a few hours later with the white heels, the boot heels, I just, yeah, I'm feeling that. I think I do like that outfit actually. And here's me dancing again. No. Be right back. I'm gonna just change into something else because I have just spilt tea all on my legs and on this dress. So I'll be right back in just a second. Oh, this is so much more me. Anyone who knows me like just knows I pretty much live in comfy clothes. So whilst we're on the topic of comfy clothes, I thought I'd show you a very much a casual date night outfit. It's just a pair of light blue mum jeans with a pair of Nike trainers, a white top, and my Nordgreen. Let's go and get pizza. Let's go chill. Like, let's go get some food. Like, it just is, to me, jeans and a white top is just like that effortless look. I'm actively choosing to underdress for this date with the person I love, who should love me regardless of what I wear. And they do. I thought maybe I could roll up the mum jeans ×2 just because then I get that bit of extra leg. I think they are meant to finish about there. So yeah, that's good. Also for short girls, if you are a bit like me, that you've got a smaller waist but you've got bigger bum, then you might find it hard to get a good fitting pair of mum jeans. Ideally, I would get the size up from the size I'm wearing right now, but the waist is just a bit too big. But the size up fits so nice around the leg. Like, I've got way more space, I feel really comfortable. So yeah, that's just something we have to live with, unfortunately. There are some videos on YouTube where people do their own like elastic thing into the back of their mum jeans and they like DIY them. I wish I had the time, I wish I had the energy. Let's just put it that way. I think I've got another outfit on here I wanted to show you. And this one I was a bit more, I think I felt a bit more confident in this. Okay, here we go. So this is a jumper dress, and because it was kind of like straight up and down, you do have to put a belt on it. Since I chose to belt it with the one designer belt that I have, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci, Gucci, Gucci gang, I thought, oh, it's kind of like that's a large amount of like black plopped in the middle, the lingo. That's a massive amount of like black material that I've just like squashed into the middle of the outfit. So maybe I should put my black boots with it. And I think if it was a bit colder, I'd also put tights on underneath, or stockings, as Americans say. I paired it with my skinny dip bag, which I think looks nice. Overall, like, I can totally see that for like just going for a coffee or going to get food, like a lunchtime date. It's not necessarily very like evening-y, but maybe it could be more evening-y if you pair it with some heels. Let's see if I tried it on with any other shoes. I think I have a feeling that I did try it on with the white boots just to see. Okay, I also paired it with a different belt just to see what that would look like. And you can also see here the shape of the dresses without anything, which kind of might be nice if you're at home. You're just like, don't really want to be pinched in. This is what it looked like with the white boots. I wasn't too sure about that. Obviously the silver of the belt didn't really kind of go with my gold jewelry, so I think that one was a bit of a no. I'm gonna move away from that. I don't think that looks too great. I think it looked better with the black boots, but it's good to have options, isn't it? It's good to like look at it after and go yes or no. So please rate my outfits in the comments, guys. Let me know which one you like best. I mean, some of them are definitely out of my comfort zone, but that's what 2020 should be about, shouldn't it? Step outside your comfort zone, guys. Not again. Not again. Luckily, I'm keeping these mum jeans. I'm keeping them. Once again, a huge thank you to Nordgreen for sponsoring the videos. I think what I like most about them is their minimal design, which is timeless and will transcend any trend that's coming in, that's coming out. Also, age, gender, you know what I mean? It's just like, a watch is a watch. Doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman. It don't matter if you're black or white. Minimal design for all gender, ages and generation is what I was trying to say. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my date night outfits, and I'm looking forward to reading the comments. Thank you so much if you've watched this video all the way through. That means a lot to me. Don't forget to click the link in my description if you are interested in a Nordgreen watch. And I will speak to you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Take care. Bye.
When I dance alone and the sun's bleeding down, blame it on me. And when I lose control and the veil's over you,